Meet the Amur leopard, one of the rarest big cats on Earth, residing in the snowy forests of the Russian Far East. With its beautiful spotted coat, the Amur leopard is perfectly adapted to its environment, blending seamlessly into the landscape. These elusive predators are skilled hunters, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves with stealth and precision. But their survival hangs in the balance. With less than 100 individuals left in the wild, habitat loss and poaching threaten their existence.